It wasn't a sound. It wasn't a signal. It wasn't even supposed to be seen. But what Voyager 1 just sent back has shaken the scientific world to its core. A strange distortion of light, a rhythm hidden in chaos, and behind it, a shape that defies every chart NASA has ever made. Voyager 1, humanity's farthest messenger, may have just captured something that looks back. Launched in 1977, Voyager 1 was meant to explore the outer planets and then drift quietly into the void. But recently, its transmissions began showing anomalies, not static, not errors, but rhythmic pulses with structure. Buried within the noise, analysts found patterns repeating too precisely to be random. Then came the impossible, an image. It wasn't a photo in any traditional sense, but a visual distortion, a spiral wrapped in interference, surrounded by energy fluctuations that seemed intelligent. When the data was enhanced, the outline of something geometric emerged. Not a planet. Not a star. A silhouette with angles too precise to be natural, yet too chaotic to be artificial. Some at NASA called it structured noise. Others whispered something darker. That Voyager had seen something older, something that was already there, waiting. The symbol in the image resembled ancient spirals and radiant shapes carved into rock by civilizations that never should have known of each other. Coincidence? Or memory? Something written into human consciousness long before we understood the sky? Scientists debated furiously. Could Voyager 1 have captured a dense pocket of dark matter bending light and magnetism? Or did it encounter a relic, the remains of a civilization far older than ours, buried deep in interstellar space? The most radical theory suggested it wasn't a structure at all. It was a presence, a form of awareness embedded within spacetime itself, responding to Voyager's gaze. NASA's official statement didn't help. They described the anomaly as structured noise with harmonic interference. In plain language, that means one thing: a pattern, a message. Some physicists studying the data noticed something even more disturbing. The oscillations matched the same decay frequency used in Voyager's own reactor core. Somehow, the probe was detecting an echo of itself, or perhaps of its future. If that's true, Voyager the 1st of May have reached a region where time itself folds. Where signals travel not just through space, but across the past and future. Quantum models predict this kind of feedback in places where spacetime bends. If Voyager crossed such a boundary, it might be trapped in a temporal loop, sending back a reflection not of what it sees, but of what is yet to come. Then, the probe fell nearly silent. The signal remained, faint but steady, a heartbeat in the dark, yet no new data came through. Commands from Earth reached it, but responses arrived fragmented and delayed, distorted as if traveling through something unseen. No black holes. No stars. Just bending, as though the transmission were skirting around an invisible mass. When engineers decoded the remaining data, AI analysis revealed something extraordinary. The image wasn't static, it contained hidden layers encoded in frequencies. When reconstructed, they revealed a crystalline lattice surrounding a perfect void. Its geometry matched no natural formation. The ratios of its design mirrored the same prime number sequence humanity used in the Arecibo message. Our first attempt to say hello to the cosmos in 1974. If that's a coincidence, it's one that breaks mathematics. If not, then something received our message, and waited decades to answer. Around the same time, Voyager 2, billions of miles away, detected the same pattern in its magnetic field readings. Two probes, traveling in opposite directions, encountering identical fluctuations at the same time. The odds are astronomical. This wasn't local. Whatever it was, it spanned the interstellar medium itself, like a web woven through the fabric of reality. Inside NASA, Whispers began. Had Voyager 1 intersected with an artifact? Something ancient, dormant, designed to awaken when intelligent signals approached? A sentinel, perhaps, not hostile, not friendly, simply watching. The image may not show an alien or a ship. It could be a mechanism, an eye, a device built to record civilizations that announce themselves to the stars. Voyager didn't just capture it, it may have activated it. For nearly 50 years, Voyager 1 has drifted through the dark, carrying our music, our coordinates, our story etched into a golden record. It was meant as a greeting, a message of peace. But perhaps it was also a beacon, a signal saying, we are here. Now, something has answered. Not with sound. Not with words. But with a reflection. A mirror in the void showing us that we're not just observers anymore. We've been seen. And maybe that's what frightens scientists most. That Voyager didn't discover a mystery, it awakened one. Something older than light. Something that has been waiting in the silence between stars, watching for the day when one small golden probe dared to look its way. Because now, somewhere beyond the heliosphere, an ancient eye has opened. And the next signal Voyager sends might not come from us at all.